Adding conditional logical functions to formulas. You can use the and or functions to create conditional formulas that result in a logical value that is true or false. Such formulas test whether a series of conditions evaluate the true or false. In addition, you can use the if conditional formula that checks if a calculation evaluates as true or false. You can then tell if to return one value, text, number, or logical value if the calculation is true, or a different value if it is false. Using if, the result of a conditional formula is determined by the state of a specific condition or the answer to a logical question. An if function sets up a conditional statement to test data. An if formula returns one value if the condition you specify is true and another value if it is false. The if function requires the following syntax: if logical test, comma, value if true, comma, value if false. In this exercise, you use an if function to determine who achieved his goal and is eligible for the performance bonus. So we're going to make sure that we are on the Performance Worksheet tab. We're going to click on cell G5. We're going to go to the Formulas tab, and in the Function Library group, we're going to click Logical, and then click If. The Function Arguments dialog box opens. In the Logical Test box, we're going to type D5 greater or equal to C5. This component of the formula determines whether the agent has met his or her sales goals. In the value of true box, type yes. This is the value returned if the agent met his or her goals. In the value of false box, type no. Then click OK. With G5 still selected, use the fill handle to copy the formula to G6 through G12. Excel returns the results that 3 agents earned the performance award by displaying yes in the cells. Click the Autofill Options button in the lower right corner of the range and choose Fill without formatting. In cell H5, type equal if parentheses G5 equals yes E5 times D5 0. Before you complete this formula, notice the screen tip, the cells selected, and the colors. Move the mouse pointer to each of the arguments and they become a hyperlink. E5 is an individual bonus rate and D5 is the actual cells. The bonus is the rate times the cells. Press Enter to complete the formula. Click cell H5 and use the fill handle to copy the formula to H6 through H11. In I5, type equal if parentheses G5, then press Enter. Use the fill handle in I5 to copy the formula to I6 through I11. Notice that Richard Carey, the senior partner, did not receive an agent bonus and was no bonus for back office. The final pending sale of $700,000 of the year came through. In D5, type $3,900,000. Notice that H5 and the amounts in column I go from 0 to bonuses.